I'm Russ Polinovsky, Senior Director of Marketing at DMF Lighting. We're here at CEDIA. This is one of our favorite shows. The CEDIA channel is extremely important to us. We're one of the very first lighting manufacturers to get involved in the sector, and it's been really a great experience for us. This is our 4-inch Artafex line. It's kind of the bread and butter of our products. What's really unique about all DMF modules is that we develop our own drivers. That allows us to integrate them into the module, which creates a lot of unique opportunities. It also allows us to offer the best industry warranty at 10 years. So here's how it works. Whether it's a square trim or a round trim, it's all interchangeable. It's a very much modular system. It also works with an adjustable. Adjustable has a tilt of 45 degrees. And because our stuff is integrated, it allows for a lot of really great retrofit applications. This is our 6 to 4-inch conversion kit. There are millions and millions of 6-inch cans with incandescent lights that are inefficient and ugly, frankly. This allows you to screw that into the wall, and then our fixture will pop right into it. So here we have a dolly display. What we've done is create color samples similar to what a homeowner would see from an interior designer's, and we show how the different light color temperature impacts what those colors look like. So if you go into evening, and look like that, you probably don't have much light going, versus an afternoon where you have really intense color and light. And then morning, you want something that's a little bit warmer so that it's an easy transition to waking up.